In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your very first React app using Create React App template. So Create React App template is a easy and suggested approach by React team to spin up your React app very easily with high confidence. And now without any further ado, let's start. So now, before creating your Create React app, you have to make sure what is the place that you are going to create your project. So we have to choose the right local disk and the right folder where you have to create your project. So now I have chosen React as a folder in my computer where I'm going to create a application, my React application. Now, in order to start creating your application, we have to open command prompt in a folder where exactly that you are going to create your React app. Now, in order to open the command prompt, let me go and click click this address bar, and now click on backspace and try to enter CMD and try to press enter. Now this process will open a command prompt in your computer in this particular folder. Now we have to run a specific command which will help us to create a React app. Now just scroll down in the Create React App website. I will put this link in the description. Now you copy this simply and now you paste it in the command prompt, and see, npx is a way how you can create your React app, and Create React App is a command name, and my app is nothing but the app name that you are going to create. Okay, so that it is a name for app that you are going to create. Now I'm going to give it as notes. So now let me press enter. If you press enter, this will start creating this particular application. So press enter.
1 hour later.
So once you create your app, right, so you can able to see a folder called notes. So notes is a name for the app I have given while trying to create our React app. So now if you go inside this notes app, we can able to see node modules, public folder, source, git ignore, package logged, and then readme file. So all these files, all these files and folders has been created by the particular npx command with the help of a Create React app. So now what we can do is we can able to go to the same terminal and we can able to go inside this particular folder either by editing the URL, editing this particular search bar URL, or you can cd into that particular folder. Let's say if you type dir, we can able to see there is a notes app which is available. I can able to go inside that notes folder by cding into it, cd notes. Now if you try to type dir, it will show you all the folders that is available inside this notes folder. We can able to see git ignore. Yes, I can able to see git ignore. Can you able to see package.json? Yes, I can able to see package.json. Can you able to see package.json? Yes, we can able to see package.json. Now, if you wanted to start running your React app, then the very first command that you need is on the very the only command that you need is it's npm start. By running npm start, in your app folder, you are about to compile your app and spin up a server which will run in the port 3000 as a local host. See, now we can able to see our React app is running in the local host 3000, and now we can able to develop our $1 million app idea. And that's it for this video, and for more please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.